Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're in. Begin by signing into Google Ads with admin access and opening the Ads and Extensions panel. Once there, choose the Extensions tab and set the scope you want, account, campaign, or ad group, because scope controls where the extension appears. Next, click the plus button and choose the extension type that matches your goal, for example, Sitelink for extra navigation or call for direct phone leads. Do this first to ensure your assets target the right ads and reporting structure. Once you pick a type, enter the required details: URLs for site links, numbers for calls, and concise descriptions for callouts or snippets. Make sure to choose start and end dates, set device preferences if you want mobile-first delivery, and apply ad scheduling so extensions run during peak hours. Use the preview pane to confirm how the extension looks on desktop versus mobile. If you have multiple variations, add them now to allow Google to optimize performance across auctions. After saving, immediately check the extension status and resolve any policy warnings so delivery isn't blocked. Make sure the extension is attached at the intended level, account, campaign, or ad group, because attachment determines eligibility. Once live, monitor CTR, impressions, and conversions to confirm impact. If an extension doesn't appear, troubleshoot by verifying policy compliance, ad rank and bids, scheduling windows, and whether conflicting extensions or negative assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.